of Chandrilla protect the supply train and stop the Empire.
Squadron, this is General Riken. Chandrilla is under attack. Imperial forces are attempting to bombard and surround the city with wall builders. You must protect the hover train. The supplies it is carrying must reach Chandrilla, or we will lose the city.
The train is under attack. I copy. All flights is inbound on 17.28. I'm hit! No, I'm hit. Maintain visual scanning. I've got a problem here. Yeah. Inbound fighters at 10:13. I copy. Help me out here. I'm hit! Fire! I can't take it! Ah! Check your fire! I crash landed safely. Need pickup.
Rebel scum, this is Mark Sheridan. Your resistance is useless. As you can see, I have blockaded the city, and Chandrilla is now mine. You will surrender, or I will shoot you all down.
Enemy fighters at Mark 2.
I'm on it.
The hover train will throw bad route.
I copy.
Protect the evacuation shuttles.
Look, I've lost my stabilizer.
Have your archer unit lock it down, Kaysen. Kaysen Moore? Ah, of course.
Moff Squadron.
How pathetic. Allying yourself with those rebel criminals rogue squadron. You and your so-called rogues helped in the absconding of my ATTTs and the plundering of my research facility. My retaliation shall be swift and just.
There is nothing just about your actions.
You no longer harbor any loyalty to our Emperor? Defecting to the rebel terrorists shall be your undoing, Kaysen. Unfortunate to lose such a fine officer, but the weak will die off to make room for the strong. It is the way of the universe. Farewell, little rodent.
There you are, you coward. Do you think you can get away in that shuttle?
Kaysen, do not pursue that ship. Repeat, do not pursue Squadron. We don't know how many ships he has backing him up. We must remain here to secure Chandrilla.
I copy.
Coward. All right, here's our chance to hit them back for Chandrilla. Kaysen, did General Riken brief you?
Yes, the location of this Imperial base was supplied to us by Boston spies. It's a crucial link to the rest of the solar system, so it's also well protected, hidden inside this volcano. They use the volcanic activity to power a geothermal generator which is regulated by a shielded central capacitor. But inside the volcano, several transmitters are feeding thermal energy to the capacitor. Destroy the transmitters,
And we take the shield down. Kaysen, you lead the way. Maybe slow, but they can take a beating. Didn't even scratch me.
what's enemy fighters?
Okay, that's one. You know what to look for. I walked onto. But they can take a beating. Didn't even scratch me. Hang on back there. Back there. slow, but they can take a beating. Didn't even scratch me.
That should do it. The shield should be down.
Let's all rendezvous back at the capacitor. We'll need to hit it with all our firepower. I'm hit, but not bad. Maintain visual scanning.
Watch for enemy fighters!
Let's get out of here before the volcano destabilizes. Rogue Squadron, I'm afraid you'll have to cut your celebration short. Moff Searden has begun his attack on Cyphera. He used us. This is all a diversion.